can see we have a Renault 10s which we put light jumper from here to here. It wasn't working because this line was cut off due to a board damage, and we put jumper here. Now it's working. Now we need to this button of this phone because the power button is not working. We will replace this one, then I will show you. It will work perfectly. Thank you. Here you go. If your light is not working, if the 4 voltage is coming here and not coming inside here, not coming in this point, in this line, then you need to do the jumper, because you can't replace board for just little bit jumper. No, put from here and bring it here on this capacitor. So let me just show you. As you can see, it's working. Hey,
all is good, my brother.
all is good, that is good, all's good, all's good. Now it will now lose the screen. The customer don't have to replace the display. Like and subscribe.